If the good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise, I'll get to look into my baby's eyes to let me know that it's good to be alive. The good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise. Well, I got to my baby and what did I see? The water rose up and took her from me. I never found a body, but I got a memory. How could the good Lord take this woman from me? If the good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise, I'll get to look into my baby's eyes to let me know that it's good to be alive. The good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise. It's been 7 long years since my baby died. Been raising our kids and the river's been dry. Tornado blew on 3 counties away. Now we ain't got no place left to stay. So we checked into the lucky 7. We're trying so hard to be a family again. I was working and the place burned to the ground. Said your kid playing with matches was the only reason found. Hey, the good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise. I'll get to look into my baby's eyes to let me know that it's good to be alive. The good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise. Took away my custody. Said you gotta have a home to raise a family. Worked real hard, every penny I saved. They locked me out, I got fired today. And the good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise. I'll get to look into my baby's eyes to let me know that it's good to be alive. The good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise. And God serving Job ain't got nothing on me. This Job gonna pull an armed robbery. The weapon I used went off by mistake. Now I gotta pay for the life I take. Life ain't kind and life ain't fair.